Hello, everyone. My name is Shayla Brooke Campbell. I am a native of Holly Springs, Mississippi, where I was born and raised. After attending community college, I moved to Oxford, Mississippi, where I attained my undergraduate degree in communication sciences and disorders. I chose to pursue a master's degree in the education program at Ashford University to advance to the next level in my career path. Although my undergraduate degree is not an educational degree, I am still able to work in an educational setting. While doing clinical observations, I had the opportunity to work in a medical setting and educational setting. I was fascinated about the education field and adapted quickly to the environment. I love working with children, nurturing them, and helping them learn. I have found my passion as a speech teacher. My favorite K through 12th grade teacher was my geometry teacher named Mrs. Doyle. Math has never been a favorite subject for me, and she made the class so interesting and fun. She was very creative in the way that she rendered assignments and skills to the class. When the weather was nice, she took us outside to complete our work. My least favorite teacher was Mrs. Hayes. Her usual routine consisted of her posting a PowerPoint and we copying the notes from the board. She just read the notes and did not explain the information in depth for us to understand. If I could only eat one food for the rest of my life, it would be chicken. I love every dish made out of chicken. The dishes that are my favorite are chicken Alfredo pasta, chicken spaghetti, grilled chicken, chicken strips, and fried chicken. That is all for my introduction, and I look forward to working with all of you during this course.